This is the biggest mistake parents make when hiring a nanny in the UAE, skipping these 4 steps. The best thing you can do for your own sanity as a working mom in UAE is to get help. I'm leaving for office peacefully right now without the mom guilt because I made the right choice of hiring our nanny.
The first time mom, it was of course not easy for me because I had to do a lot of research, watching a lot of YouTube videos, talking to a lot of friends, getting advice from everyone, and that's why I felt that there was a need to kind of compile all the information and whatever one needs to know.
So let's jump right in. Before I go through the visa process, the first thing that you need to nail is the interview. Do not ask whether you can clean or not because these are the few things that you will get to see eventually. The most important question that you need to ask, what does a typical day look like? If my kid has a tantrum, what would you do? These kind of important questions shows that what kind of experience she has. Since I won't be able to cover all the questions, I've prepared a full list of interview questions that I will be dropping at the end of the video. And when it came to processing all the legalities, I chose to go through with Imdad Center, which is fully Mohare approved. And let me tell you why this matters a lot. Because Imdad Tadbir Center, it is fully Mohare approved. So what happens if anything goes wrong with the visa and processing all of that, you are not left alone. I know that a lot of people, they try to cut corners, and so you can do that. For example, if you want to hire someone, who is basically charging you less, you can go ahead. But when it comes to processing the visa, go through Tadbir Center. Because in case, for example, tomorrow if your nanny leaves and she's not coming back, these people can immediately put it on absconding. So she will be restricted to enter the country, and this makes the person accountable, which is very important. Not miss the next step, which is extremely crucial, and a lot of people, they kind of miss this part, which is trial period. Yes, so when you hire a nanny, I understand that even if you do a lot of interviews and you have drilled that person down, it is very important that you put the person on a trial week. From my experiences, I did not move forward with 3 people who were really, really good, and I was really vouching for them when I tried them out for a week. One person would behave very differently. She was constantly outside, always on the phone, and she did not care much. She couldn't, and she was not very hygienic. A lot of different things that you will see when you try someone out, because before that it's just what you just need to see those person or whoever you're choosing in action. The contract that you will be signing with Imdad will be generic third-party terms, but what I do and everyone should do, because this is amazing and this really gives you an upper hand, which is, other than the contract, have your own agreement. It just can be an agreement, a written document between you and your nanny, whatever you guys are agreeing on during the type of interview. So for example, some nanny would agree to cook, or someone would agree to clean everything including ABCD, whatever you guys agree on, put it all in that agreement, in that document, so that tomorrow she can't say that, oh, I did not sign up for this. You basically will have an agreement written where both of you will sign on these are the things that she'll be doing on a day-to-day basis. And what I do usually is I make sure that I create the document, that agreement, in 2 languages. The other language is whatever she speaks, so that tomorrow she can't say that she doesn't understand English and that's why she signed it without understanding. So it is very clear. Thank you guys for watching, and like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. In the next video, I will be doing a day in the life of my nanny, so that you get a full sneak peek of what she does from day to night. So what are you doing?
Housework started. So at the cooking bath
You're making pasta?
Yes.